This is the third tutorial in AutoCAD AutoList. In this tutorial, we will learn list manipulation or handling and conversion of number to string and vice versa. We have already learned how to make footing, wall or column layout in grid. You can download the file from link will be given in description to use this file in AutoCAD. Now we will see the list manipulation part. Create list. How you can create list. Creating list is like creating array in C programming. This is the syntax. Remember, all the syntax of AutoList is enclosed in the parentheses. Open AutoCAD, go to Manage, click Visual Lisp Editor. Here is our Visual Console. Now we will write our code here. We need to create list. SetQ is a command. SetQ means set quotient, enclosed in the parentheses, this black parenthesis, and list is also a command, enclosed in the parenthesis, green one. Mark is the name of variable where all these lists will be stored. Let's see how it works. When you enter variable mark, you will see the list printed. Created by apostrophe. There are two methods. One, we have already seen how we can use list to create list, and apostrophe also creates list. We will see the difference between two. Create list by using list method, then the variable will be replaced by the value. Here x is assigned 5, then here x will be replaced by 5. But if we create list by apostrophe, the variable will remain variable. Let's see how to do this. Here x was replaced by the value 5. Here x was not replaced. So this is the difference. Variable will be treated as variable, and here in one. These are the two methods of creating list. Now accessing element of first element, second element, and so on of the list. If we want to access the first element, we will use car list. List means name of list or the list itself. It will return the first element in the list. See this example. Car list ABC, the first element is A and A will be returned. We already know what the mark contains. Similarly for second element CADR. The second element is 9. Except the first element, we will use CDR. Except 10, all the values are returned. Third element CADDR. Third element is 8. Last element using last. Last element is 6, and hence 6 is returned. Now if you want nth element, like other than first, second, third and last, or except first, you want suppose fourth element, then you can use nth. N stands for which number you want, and LST is the name of the list. Suppose we want 7, then it is the fourth element. 1 2 3 4, fourth element, then we will use nth function to access 7. Here n, replace n. 0 is the first index of the first element, that is 0 1 2 3, then 3 will return 7. Now length of list. There are 5 members, then you will get answer 5. Append. If you want to add any element to the end of the list, then you can use append. But if you only use append, then the original list would not be changed. You need to assign as well. To assign, you need to use set q. Let's see. Here we are only appending but not assigning. Then we got 12, but now when I'm enter mark, you wouldn't see 12 because we did changes to the original list. To assign, we will use set q. You can use different name here as well, or the same. If you want to assign to the same list, then same name, or if you want to assign to the different list like mark 1, then you need to use mark 1 here, or if you will use mark, then it will be assigned to mark. Now you can see 12 has been assigned to mark. Similarly, cons also does the same thing, but it adds any element in the beginning of the list. Cons 10 adds in the beginning of the list 10, and if you assign, then it will be assigned, otherwise it wouldn't be assigned. Now let's see conversion. ATOI means string to integer. ITO means integer to string. ATOF means string to real. F means float or real. RTOS means real to string. Within the inverted comma, all are string.